Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a less than 10 minutes mommy makeup tutorial. I'm sorry if you guys hear a little bit of sound in the back. It's just that my baby woke up from a nap. So okay, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with my face primer. I'm not going to be going into detail about what exactly I am wearing because I do want to do this as quickly as possible, like I regularly do when I am trying to get ready. But if I can, I'll mention the product. If not, well, sorry guys. I'll link it down below. I'll put the name of the products down below if I can't mention them. Okay, 10 minutes. So this is the primer from Wet n Wild. Then what I do, I get my beauty blender and I get my foundation. Make sure you check your shake your foundation, not check your foundation. I usually like mixing the two of my two foundations because finding the right skin tone for me in foundations is just, it's just a mess. And then so what I am wearing is I think it's a Maybelline Fit me. I'll check for you guys right now. I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. I'm just trying to do it as I usually do it when I'm going out, so you guys can see and get your own idea of how to do your makeup. And when you guys are busy, it's like you don't have to make your makeup perfect. When you have time to do so, we'll go all out. It's fine. But when you can't, guys, just do what you can. Guys, just do what you can and don't even worry about other stuff. So then I like putting lip balm. So it is the Maybelline Fit. Okay, sorry. This is the Dewy Luminate Primer that I use. And now I'm going to do a little bit under eye concealer. Yes, sweetheart. And I'm doing it in the places that I usually just have like dark marks. And then I'm just gonna yes, I'm gonna start blending it. Yes, as much as I can. Making noises with like a pencil organizer, but I use it for my brushes. Okay, that seems a little bit good. Make sure to always blend really quick. In your neck, don't forget to blend down your neck, you guys. Okay, now what I do is I get my powder, which is this one. I use this one. I don't know if you guys can see it well. That's usually what I have, just 10 minutes or less to do my makeup. So this is my exact tutorial that I use because this is what I literally do. Okay, then I am going to be getting a little bit of contour. I'm gonna go with the dark and the medium. I'm just gonna bronze it up a little bit. Yeah. Okay, here. Go on this way. Sorry guys, this is actually, I'm not sorry because I love being a mother. And I know that sometimes you just have to do what you have to do. Like in this case, do my videos and make sure my babies are good. Okay, so now guys, I'm going in with the e.l.f. blush. It's like this, but I have it dirty, sorry. I'm gonna go a little bit. I like my cheeks to be very pink and very like, how do you say it? Very there. That you guys can tell, and I put a little bit on my nose too and on my chin. Okay, so that's that. Now what I do so I get the same palette. And I use a highlighter. Yes, I like highlighter. Don't judge me. I just try to go like here and here. And of course a little bit here, a little bit here. Okay, I get my eyebrow pencil, and this is from Wet n Wild, guys. Again, I'm just trying to not really define my eyebrows, but fill them in a little bit. I know you guys can see the difference. When I'm doing my eyebrows, oops, excuse me, when I'm doing my eyebrows, I don't like messing a lot with them when I'm doing a quick mommy makeup that I only have some time to do everything. It's like I just don't want to be spending a lot of time on that. Then I'm using the Remi Rose. I got this from the 99-cent store, only store. Amazing product, you guys. I actually love this. If you guys want to see my little haul, let me know and I'll let you see that video that I recorded, but I never posted it because I got embarrassed. And I actually just do a review of full makeup that I got from the 99-cent store. Okay guys, so I usually just do like a little bit of a bronziness here. Then I do a little bit of the purple in the middle because I like it to look a little bit smoky. And then a little bit of the golden again in the sides. Make sure to blend, blend, blend. And I like doing that. Okay, that's that. Now I go with my mascara. Last but not least, my lipstick. I'm using the Bare It All by, I don't know who makes this. Oh, Wet n Wild. I have the video on my channel. And then I just, oh, I need to wipe this a little bit. 1 sec. And then, so there you go, you guys. My everyday mommy makeup. Okay guys, so basically that's my 10-minute or less mommy makeup everyday tutorial. Just go basic, you guys. That's all I can say. Whenever you have time to do your makeup, go all out. Take your time. But when like, I personally, I don't have time to be sitting there doing my makeup for hours. So this is literally what I do. Less than 10 minutes and I'm out the door doing my stuff, and that's it. And I like what I do and I stick to it, and literally this is it.